Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is SAR of atropine analogues. And what is the atropine analogues? These are the cholineolytic agents. So before the discussion of structural activity relationship of cholineolytic agents, we should know about the cholineolytic agents. Actually, cholineolytic agents are also known as anticholinergic drugs, which are the block the effect of acetylcholine or cholinergic receptors, but conveniently antimuscarinic drugs are referred to as anticholinergic drugs. They are also known as cholinergic blocking or sympatholytic drugs. Parasympatholytic, okay? Parasympatholytic drugs. Drugs that are block the nicotinic receptors are ganglion blockers and neuromuscular blockers. Actually, anticholinergic drugs include atropine and related drugs. So, atropine is the prototype of drug. This is the structure of atropine drug. This is the atropine analog. So, if we are substitute of any substitution in this group, the activity is enhanced or influenced of the drug. So, now come to the point, structural activity relationship of the atropine analog. Number one is the great molar potency of atropine help to block several moles of acetylcholine. This is the use or property of the atropine drug. The umbrella-like atropine molecule may mechanically or electrostatically inactivate adjacent receptors on the cell surface so that these receptors are also unavailable for acetylcholine or other parasympathomimetic stimulants. The circled portion of the atropine molecule depicts the segment resembling acetylcholine. Okay, circled. This one portion. Okay, circled portion. And the amine functional group is separated from the ester oxygen by more than 2 carbons. The conformation assumed by propanol ring orients these two atoms such that the intervening distance is similar to that of acetylcholine, on the basis of the assumption that the size was a major factor in the blocking action. Many substituted acetic acid ester of amino alcohol were prepared and evaluated for biological activity. And next one is the most potent compound were those that possessed two lipophilic ring substituted on the carbon alpha to carbonyl of ester moiety for antimuscarinic activity. Actually, the cholineolytic agents are divided into two categories. This one is the atropine analog and second one is the muscarinic analog. So now come to the muscarinic analog. This is the muscarinic analog. So now come to the point is structural activity of muscarinic analog. This is the structure of basic drug. So for the potent cholinergic antagonist, the group R1 and R2, this one R1 and this is the R2, must be hydrophobic in nature and usually phenyl, cyclohexyl or cyclopentyl. In the above general structure for amino alcohol, the substituent R1 and R2 should be a carbocyclic or a heterocyclic ring for maximal antagonistic potency. The ring may be identical, but the more potent compound have different rings. The one ring is aromatic and other may be saturated or possessing only one olefin bond. For example, propenthyline. Next one, their ability to do these effectively is because of the large group of R1 and R2 that enhance the binding of the receptor, since the antagonistic are larger than antagonist. Now come to the R3 position. At the R3 substituent may be a hydrogen atom, hydroxyl group, hydroxymethyl group, or a carboxyamide, or it may be a component of R1 and R2 ring system. Okay, when the substituent is a hydroxyl group or hydroxymethyl group to the antagonist is usually potent. Okay, next one is the due to the hydroxy group, presumably there might be an increase in the binding strength by participating in a hydrogen bond interaction at the receptor. Next one is the X. What is the X group? X is a halogen group. The X substituent is the most potent anticholinergic agent, is an ester. But an ester functional group is not absolute necessary for the muscarinic antagonistic activity. And now come to the N. This one is the N substituent. The N substituent is a quaternary ammonium salt in the most potent anticholinergic agent. Tertiary amine also possesses antagonistic activity, presumably by binding to the receptors in the cationic form. The alkyl substitution is usually methyl group, ethyl group, propyl or isopropyl groups. The distance between ring substituted carbon and amine nitrogen is apparently not critical, as much as the length of alkyl chain connecting this may be from 2 to 4 carbons. Okay, the most potent anticholinergic agent has 2 methylene units of the chain. Understand? This is the SAR of muscarinic antagonists. Okay, so these two groups which comes under anticholinergic drugs. The anticholinergic drugs are divided into two type of analogs. This number one is atropine and number two is muscarinic. These are both drug, and we have discussed the both type of SAR. The SAR, that is structural activity relationship of atropine analog and muscarinic antagonist. Thank you. वैसे atropine is a prototype of this drug, and anti-muscarinic receptor is also known as acetylcholine.